What's up, gals and pals? It's your boy Vino, and welcome back to 60-Second Cocktails. Ladies and gentlemen, if you've spent any time on social media recently, you might have noticed something. That's right, folks, it is Negroni Week. This is the time of year where everybody and their mother is celebrating one of the most classic cocktails of all time, except for Vino. Now look, don't get me wrong, it's not that I don't like the Negroni. I absolutely love the Negroni. And it's not that I'm too cool for school or anything like that. The truth is, I forgot. What can I tell you? I've been too busy lately, I totally forgot. But since you guys all have your bottles of Campari out, I'm actually gonna be making a cocktail today that I've had on my to-drink list for the longest time, and it uses Campari as well as Mezcal and Maraschino Liqueur and Orgeat. I mean, this is a pretty interesting list of stuff, and I'm very excited to see what it's all about. The cocktail is called Great Silence. So make sure you stick around, because we are gonna boogie down. All right, so like I said, folks, I'm really interested to see what this cocktail is all about. It is a lower ABV cocktail, but it has a lot of bold flavors. We're talking about smoky Mezcal and bitter Campari, and then Maraschino, which has those nutty floral flavors and stuff like that. Plus you got the Orgeat, which is gonna give you its own stuff going on. So I'm really interested to see what this thing is all about, right, folks? Now, let us look at what is in the sauce. The first thing you're gonna need is 1 ounce of your favorite Mezcal. Now, the creator of this cocktail, his name is Isaac Shumway, and he works over at California Gold in Raphael, California, and he recommends some Vita, all right, folks? So if you have this, use this, but if not, use whatever Mezcal you have, all right? Now, the next thing we're gonna be doing is 1 ounce of lime juice, all right? So let's go ahead and get our lime juice in here. All right, beautiful. And now we're gonna do 3/4 ounce of Campari, all right, folks? So you guys have been drinking a whole lot of Negronis this week, so hopefully you have some Campari left over to make Vino's cocktail today, all right? Now, we're gonna do 1/2 ounce of Orgeat. You can use the bottle stuff, the homemade stuff, whatever you got, all right? If you use the bottle stuff, I do really like Liqueur & Co. I think they make some of the best homemade, some of the best bottled syrups in the business, all right, folks? Now, and then we're gonna do 2 to 3 dashes of Maraschino Liqueur, and I honestly think that is all I have in here. That is literally all I have in here. So if you don't need a new bottle of Maraschino Liqueur, I love this stuff. I use it all the time. I love last words and last word riffs, and this is the main component in that cocktail, right, folks? So there's our 2 to 3 dashes of Maraschino Liqueur. Whoop. Now we're gonna go ahead and add some ice to our shaker. It smells amazing already. We're gonna shake that for about 10 to 15 seconds. All right, folks, I think we gave that a nice healthy shake. Now let's go ahead and get our glass out. I'm gonna be serving that in a coupe, which I had here chilling like a villain. And then I'm gonna go ahead and give that a nice double strain so we don't get any ice shards in our cocktail. All right, I think we got all we can get out of this here shaker. Put that to the side. And then we're just gonna garnish that with, you can use a lime peel, or you can use like a dehydrated lime wheel. That's what we have here, right, folks? And there's our cocktail, Great Silence. All right, now, I don't know about you guys, but I am ready to give this bad boy a sippy sip. I've yet to jump on the whole Campari bandwagon this week, so this will be my first taste of Campari all week, folks, all right? Well, you've been enjoying your Negronis. I've been drinking a lot of bourbon. All right, folks, cheers. Oh, beautiful nose. Oh, that is lovely. That is so lovely. Wow, the Maraschino Liqueur and the Mezcal work so well together. I mean, there's a couple of Negroni riffs that have those, like Ultimo Palabra and stuff like that have that combination already. And it works really well in here. And the Campari adds this beautiful bitterness. It's not overly bitter at all, but it adds a nice depth, some complexity to it. I like it a lot. And then the Orgeat just really kind of adds this beautiful sweetness to it. It's a really, like a very elegant flavor. This is a delicious cocktail, folks. Oh, this is so good. Again, Low ABV, not very strong, but very, very flavorful. That smokiness from the Mezcal is right up front. You get the bitterness from the Campari on the follow through, and then just that, like I said, that floral nuttiness that you're getting really from the Maraschino and the Orgeat just has a beautiful, elegant texture to it. This is a delicious cocktail, folks, right, folks? Look, if you're done drinking Negronis this week, I got the perfect cocktail for you. Hopefully you still have some Campari left. Give this bad boy a try. I think you actually are gonna really, really enjoy it. Now, if you're looking for more Negroni recipes, I'm gonna put a link down in the description to my buddy Livio over at Master Glass. He made a video that won a Sippy Sip award last year, where he made 14 Negroni variations, all right, folks? An absolutely fantastic video. Now, if you like this video, please press like, please subscribe, and please share with your family and friends. Remember, sharing is caring, and when life gives you lemons, make yourself a cocktail. Cheers.